Hello, first graders. Today, our target skill is I can use prepositions that tell where. A preposition is a word that you can use in your sentence to tell where. Let's learn a little bit more about prepositions by reading this story. Under, over, by the clover. What is a preposition? Preposition, a word that connects a noun or pronoun to other words in a sentence. Prepositions show us where, like in your bed, beside the chair. Under, over, by the clover, about, above, or next to rover. They tell us time and also place, like past 9:30, in your face. During recess, after school, in between the pond and pool. Ever since the olden days, there's been a silly myth that prepositions aren't correct to end a sentence with. But write your sentence carefully and you'll discover that ending with a preposition is often where it's at. Prepositions give direction, like doctors rushed to Rhonda's wrecked shin. Or Charlie danced the Charleston over on the green. Down beyond, around the bend, along the old ravine. Across the way toward Mississippi, through the yard of Chris the hippie. Prepositions do their job in a way that just amazes, relating nouns and pronouns to other words and phrases. Like Paul's from Pittsburgh way up there, I hid beneath the old oak chair. Into inside from the zoo, home by way of Timbuktu. They tell the whens, the wheres, the hows, 'cause that's their special mission, and help to link the other words. That's what's a preposition. So what is a preposition? Do you know? The end. All right, boys and girls. So your job is to practice using those prepositions today. Draw a picture on a blank sheet of paper. It can be anything you like. A picture of you at the park. Here I have a farm scene. Then label your picture with at least 3 sentences. Use prepositions to tell where. The red barn is on the hill. Where is the red barn? On the hill. The pig is in front of the sheep. Where is the pig? In front of the sheep. The rooster is in the bush. Where is the rooster? In the bush. The cow is next to the road. Where is the cow? Next to the road. So practice using these prepositions to tell where the objects in your picture is. Where the objects in your picture are. All right, first graders, have a great day. I'll see you next time.